Hello everyone, welcome to the world's largest manufacturing base for wheeled cranes, XCMG crane. We are now about to enter the first intelligent production workshop for large structural components in the global crane industry, which has achieved significant technological breakthroughs in some areas, such as robotic intelligent welding, one-person multi-machine operation, online intelligent inspection, and intelligent heavy-duty logistics. In 2018, XCMG has launched the first intelligent turntable production line, capable of accommodating 18 production processes and producing more than 20 types of products. The 240-meter-long production line includes 18 production processes, allowing one person to control up to 10 machines. The entire production workshop is monitored through, allowing real-time access to the production model currently being produced, progress, overall energy consumption, and the key process parameters. This significantly enhances production efficiency. What you'll see now is our intelligent welding production line. Dozens of welding robots work in tandem with our independently developed intelligent heavy-duty logistics. The welding equipment moving ahead is XCMG's independently developed intelligent heavy-duty logistics. The model screen on right now displays the world's first laser hybrid welding equipment in the crane industry. This equipment enables single-sided welding and double-sided formation for the main weld of the boom cylinders, eliminating the need for welders to enter the cylinder for welding. The weld penetration rate achieves 100%, and the welding deformation is reduced by 80%. Previously, the workload required at least 36 people. But now, with the implementation of this intelligent welding production line, only one person is needed to monitor and maintain the intelligent production line. To ensure welding quality, all critical welds on the turntable structural components are welded by robots. Critical process parameters during welding, such as welding current and welding voltage, are also controlled through network equipment. The turntables completed by intelligent welding undergo online inspection and smart calibration here. The welding equipment flashing red lights behind us is our self-developed smart inspection and calibration device. Please look at the screen. After passing the inspection and calibration, the products move on to the next process, the intelligent machining stage. The intelligent machining lines consist of 5 large machining centers responsible for precision machining. Since the crane turntable requires processing on both sides, the machining accuracy needs to be controlled within 0.2 millimeters. In traditional machining processes, overhead cranes were needed to flip the turntable component 180 degrees and transfer it, which not only posed safety risks but also could damage the precision of the already machined surface. However, now, through our self-developed smart heavy load gantry robot, the turntable can be flipped and transferred intelligently and online. It can adaptively adjust based on the identification of the workpiece ID code, compatible with 26 different products. The entire flipping process is smooth with no collisions, ensuring that the precision of the machined surface remains unaffected. Now, please turn your attention to the right. This is the first robotic system for single welding of the component seams on crane boom cylinders in the crane industry. This robot automatically completes the welding of both the circumference seams and the joints of the boom cylinder, and those between the boom head and the tail and the cylinder. During the welding process, the boom cylinder rotates synchronously to ensure that the arc-shaped welds are always in a horizontal position. This results in a 100% first-time pass rate for weld quality, whereas traditional manual welding not only struggles to maintain proper welding posture, but also demands high skill levels from the operators. Now, on your left is the third production line in this workshop, the intelligent turntable rear-end production line. The process flow from the front to our direction includes 3 steps: intelligent welding, online inspection, and intelligent processing. Dear friends, this concludes today's introduction to Intelligent Factory of XCMG Crane. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to have the opportunity to welcome you to XCMG's smart manufacturing facility in the future. Thank you.